guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious chile verde con papas. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright, so we're going to begin by roasting our 8 hatch peppers. So just set them on your stove over medium-high heat and allow them to get nice and charred all around. Once our chiles are nice and charred all around, we're going to transfer them to a container or plastic bag. Here we're just going to keep them covered and allow them to sweat. Meanwhile, we can roast our 4 tomatillos and just allow them to change color. Okay, once our tomatillos have changed color and are nice and soft, now we're just going to transfer them to our blender cup. And at this point, our chiles should be ready, so now we can get ready to peel them. Open it, get your chili, remove the stem, along with the skin. And you can also remove the seeds if you don't want your chiles to be spicy. Once you have it, transfer it to your blender cup with the tomatillos. And just repeat the steps with all of your chiles. Okay, now that we have our chiles, we're going to blend them until they're fully crushed. Okay, just like that. Don't over blend them, okay? And now that we have that, we can prepare our meat. Alright, so here I have my all-purpose flour along with all of my spices. We're just going to mix it together. And here you're able to taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But once we have that, we're just going to sprinkle it over 2 pounds of chuck pot roast cut into small cubes. And make sure that the meat gets nice and coated. And once we have that, now we can get ready to take it back to the stove. Okay, now to our pan, we're going to add a little bit of oil. Set it over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add half of our meat and just allow the meat to get nice and brown. Alright, so once this batch is nice and seared all around, we're just going to remove it from the pan. We're going to add more oil. And repeat the same process to the rest of the meat. Right, so once we have our meat, we're just going to add a little bit more oil. And here we're going to add 2 hatch peppers along with 1 small onion. And we're just going to saute it for a couple minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, we're going to add our minced garlic and just saute it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add the blended hatch and tomatillos. Along with that, add 3 cups of water or chicken broth. Now just mix it and bring it to a simmer. Okay, once our chile comes to a simmer, we're going to return in our meat. And now just mix it in with the chile. Now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover it and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. Make sure to mix it in every 15 minutes. After 45 minutes, our meat should be nice and tender. Of course, make sure that you check it. So here we're going to get ready to add our 3 potatoes. Just mix them in. And now just allow it to cook for another 15 minutes or until the potatoes are nice and tender. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, our potatoes should be nice and soft. Of course, make sure that you check them. And once done, we have our delicious chile verde con papas. So now we can get ready to serve. And I'm going to be serving them in burritos. Here I already have my flour tortilla with the beans. And just place it on top and serve. Just like that. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, so flavorful, and of course, super easy. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Now let me tell you that I love guisados, and this one here is one of my favorites. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the meat so tender, so flavorful. The chile verde is just perfect. And depending, on your hot chilies, on how spicy they are, then it depends on how spicy your chile verde is going to be. But this right here is just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious chile verde con papas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you really get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.